Today I'm going to show you how this espresso machine works. So right now the coffee grinder is grinding into the infuser. This is the infuser and it's where the coffee is made, as you'll see in a moment. And now it's pushing hot water through the cup. It cans the coffee and it's pushing hot water through the espresso and making espresso. Normally this would come out of the front of the machine, but I just wanted to show you how it works. And then after this process, it's going to come down and it'll eject the spent puck into the tray here on the side. There he goes. There's the spent puck. And then it goes back to its home position. So as you can see, it moves over to the left to put coffee in the infuser. Then it moves to the right and tamps down with the upper piston and creates a seal with that red O-ring on top. And then it shoots hot water through the piston on the top, and then it comes out the infuser in the front, and then it comes down and ejects the cup, or the espresso, and you have a nice shot of espresso.